Hello my lovely love bug goodies, welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen how to cook. Today I'm making a fast, easy and simple recipe, seafood salad meal in minutes. Be sure to subscribe and turn on those post notification settings to always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. So let's get started. In my eyes, you're a star, girl. Hey, she fit me, and she give me love plenty. Yeah, she authentic. This are the real thing. This are the Okay, goody, let's start cooking. And your girl, I'm gonna make this fast, easy, and simple. Now, I'm not gonna show you how to boil your macaroni or whatever you decide to choose to make the recipe. It's very easy. Just boil up your water, put your pasta in it, let it cook for 7 minutes, take it off your stove top, and I always run cold water on it just to stop the cooking process immediately because I don't want my pasta softly. Now I'm going to be using my seafood mix, and I've been using this seafood mix pretty much a lot for a lot of recipe. It is uncooked seafood, okay, uncooked seafood, and I did purchase it at Aldi's, and I have been using it like a lot. Now I did make a recipe a couple of weeks ago, Jamaican style seafood soup recipe in my kitchen. I'm going to insert that link below to show you how I achieve this soup using that soup mix, right? But it's so delicious and it's filled with flavor. This is what it looks like, the seafood mix, and you could find it in your Aldi's supermarket close to you. They have it, and they have different kinds of seafood mix in there. And just choose where you like. The one that have scallop and all them thing, the shrimp. I love this. I love it, love it, love it. And yeah, it's pretty good, right? So go ahead and get yours for your recipes, right? Now I'm going to be adding onions and bell peppers, which I'm using yellow, red, and green. And you could go with whatever color that you choose to use. I'm going to need my butter for the recipe, so we're going to grab that. And I'm going to need my whip for the recipe too, right? So we'll go ahead and grab that. We're definitely going to need this to make this seafood salad. And of course, I'm going to go in with my mayo. So you're going to need the butter, the whip, and the mayo. Now, to get started, right, all you're going to do is just go ahead and add some cooking oil, any kind of oil in your pot, and then add your mixed veggies, which is your bell peppers, onions, red, yellow, whatever. And let's go ahead and just pour some of that good garlic in there and give that a nice little mix. Remember, you are making your seafood salad and you want it to have flavor. So I didn't add any salt to it, but I did add a little bit of black pepper. I'll probably say about a half teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a good mix, but don't worry, goodie, I got you. The ingredients will be down in your description box. Check it out. Now you want to go in with some apple cider vinegar, and you could use any kind of vinegar that you have in your kitchen. Go ahead and grab that. I just love apple cider vinegar when I'm cooking this recipe. Give it a good mix like that, right? We want to cook those, but we don't want to overcook them. We want to be able to see it, in fact, when we are putting all the ingredients together when you're making your seafood salad. Then I went in and add my uncooked seafood mix into the mix right there, and I added some seafood season. Now this seafood season is kind of salty, that's why I'm skipping adding salt to it, but you could add any kind of season of your choice. You do not have to use this. Use whatever you like. All pepper seasoning, anything good, to go ahead and just pour it out in there. I just went in for that seafood mix. Now we don't want to overcook our seafood. 6 minutes tops and we are good to go. Do not overcook it because it's going to get mushy and toughy and rubbery. Now to get all this started, the second process, went in, added my mayo and my whip into my bowl with my spaghetti macaroni. Then I added some sugar to it, and again, all the amount of the recipe will be listed down in the description box. I went in and added some dry parsley. You could add fresh parsley if you'd like. Go in with a little bit of black pepper, and good, but never measure nothing here, sir, now, but me eyeball it. And I went in with my cheese, and I'm using mozzarella cheese because that's what I like, but you could also substitute for any kind of cheese that you like. Give it a good mix. You want to make sure that you combine all those mixtures together so you can get your macaroni all flavored up with that whip and the mayo. Then pour in your well cooked seafood batter up in that good and give it a good mix and a good stir. Now, do not be afraid to go in and taste your thing because you want to make sure that it is flavored to your liking. I did taste mine and I decided I wanted to go in with my combo seasoning, and you could also substitute this Old Bay season, anything where you want to put. But I went in with the combo and I did add just a tad more of sugar in it. Tad more. Mix it all up in there because I want it to be flavored how I like it. Now I am going to have some chicken, and this particular chicken recipe that I'm doing here, it is the fried chicken that I did with no milk and no eggs. So I'm also going to insert that link for that recipe down in my description box, so check that out to see how your girl made this particular fried chicken. But it is so good, and I've been making this fried chicken like every week. We've been having this fried chicken, no milk, no eggs. It is so delicious, so delicious, so delicious. But I decided I was going to make a special sauce for this chicken thighs, right? Chicken drumsticks. So I decided I was going to make a sauce. So here's what I did. I went in with about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter because your girl is trying to go unsalted on anything and using way less salt than I usually cook with. So now I allow that to make, it don't really matter if you allow it to melt or not, because guess what? We are going to throw in or strawberry jelly or strawberry jam into the mix, and that's about 3 tablespoons. And once again, all the amount of the recipe will be listed down below. I eyeball everything I saw. Now I went in and add some ketchup to it, and again with my apple cider vinegar. Now you might want to know why I use it all the time. Vinegar good for your body from the inside out. Put your vinegar in your food and anything that you're drinking. Now I went in with some dried parsley, and you can add fresh parsley right here, so but a dried parsley I decided to use right here. So give it a nice little mix, right? And put your fire on low heat because you don't want to cook it too fast and you don't want it to burn. Now after you get done doing all of this and all of that, and it's coming together real nice, and it is smelling also good as well. The flavor from the jam, that strawberry jelly, is to the core. I love it. Smell good, flavor good, nice. Now your girl not done with this thing, I know, because we are going to make this thing mellow. Now you want to go in and just get that chicken into that sauce when it is bubbling, right? Only when it's bubbling. Do not take it off no other time. Just do it when it's bubble. It does something to the chicken. It does something to the chicken. It really does. Now before I go any further, I want to give a shout out to Cooking with Kunchi. Go ahead and check out his channel and go ahead and subscribe and let him know that your girl how to cook send you over there. Make sure that you subscribe to his channel, y'all. He's doing some big things. He's a new YouTuber and I love his food, and so yeah, big up to you, Cooking with Kunchi. Now as you can see here, I'm having it, that fried chicken, I'm having it with my seafood salad, right? It is all done and it's looking good and it's smelling even better. Yes, boo, that chicken is the bomb.com. with that sauce on top. Now, while we're here, before I put it on the plate, make sure that you please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for all my upcoming videos. You don't want to miss them. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Life as Juliana. The link for the channel there will be listed down below. All right? Give your girl all the love and support. I see it and I love it. All right, I love you guys so much. So make we talk about this thing. All right, when I was done and I put it on my plate for serving, even though the meal wasn't one of the big expensive meal, it still looked like $1 million on the plate. Full up here, people. That seafood salad was everything. With that chicken dipped in that good sauce, honey, it was saying yes, mamma mia. Now, share the love, spread it with your friends and family. Tell them what's going on over here. Bring them come, send them come. I am waiting. Now, remember, tell me what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!